Welcome to Sastok. In this comprehensive video, we are going to talk about the key factors to consider to build a custom CRM. Do you know that businesses need efficient tools to manage customer interactions? A custom CRM can be tailored to meet specific needs. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, this guide will walk you through the process of creating custom CRM from scratch. In this video, we'll discuss about 5 important steps to build a custom CRM. Step 1. Understanding CRM basics. A CRM system helps businesses organize and manage customer data, interactions, and relationships. It centralizes customer information, streamlines communications, and improves customer service. CRMs are used across various industries, including sales, marketing, customer support, and more. They help a business track leads, manage sales pipeline, analyze customer behavior, and enhance overall customer satisfaction. Step 2. Planning your custom CRM. Now that we know the importance of CRM, let's move on to planning our custom solutions. The planning phase is crucial for building a successful CRM. Start by defining your objectives and requirements. What specific features do you need? How will the CRM integrate with existing systems? Consider factors like scalability, security, and user experience. It is essential to involve stakeholders in the planning process to ensure the CRM meets their needs. Conduct interviews and gather feedback from different departments to identify pain points and priorities. Step 3. Designing the CRM architecture. With a clear plan in place, let's design the architecture of our custom CRM. The CRM architecture consists of databases, servers, APIs, and user interfaces. Determine the database structure for storing customer data and define how different components will communicate with each other. You can use wireframing and prototyping tools to create mock-ups of the CRM interface. Design user-friendly layouts and workflows that align with your business process. Step 4. Development phase. It's time to bring our custom CRM to life through development. Depending on your resources and expertise, you can choose to develop the CRM in-house or outsource it to a development team. You can use agile methodologies to iterate quickly and incorporate feedback throughout the development process. You can integrate third-party tools and APIs to enhance the functionality of your CRM. This could include integration with email marketing platforms, payment gateways, or social media channels. Step 5. Testing and deployment. Before launching your custom CRM, thorough testing is essential to ensure its reliability and performance. You can conduct comprehensive testing to identify and fix any bugs or issues. Test the CRM across different devices and browsers to ensure compatibility. Once testing is complete, deploy the CRM to production server. Monitor its performance closely and provide training to users to ensure a smooth transition. Step 6. Maintenance and updates. Building a custom CRM is an ongoing process that requires maintenance and updates to stay relevant and efficient. You can regularly update the CRM to add new features, improve security, and fix any issues that arise. Provide ongoing support to users and gather feedback for future enhancement. Well done, you have completed your custom CRM building guide. By following these steps, you can create a tailored CRM solution that meets your business needs and helps you better manage customer relationships. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.